There's a number that many people hear but don't fully understand. $100,000. For some, it feels very far away, almost unrealistic, like something only other people achieve. But what's interesting is this. The first 100,000 doesn't just feel difficult. It feels almost impossible. And yet, for those who reach it, everything starts to change. At the beginning of a financial journey, progress feels invisible. You save a little, then a little more, but nothing seems to move. The numbers grow slowly, almost too slowly to notice. And that's where many people get discouraged because effort is there, but results don't feel real. In the early stages, every dollar requires effort. You trade your time for money, energy for income, and saving feels like sacrifice, not progress. You say no to things. You delay gratification. You try to be disciplined, but it doesn't feel rewarding because the impact is still small. There is also a mental barrier. $100,000 is not just a number, it represents stability, freedom, control, and because of that, it feels distant. Like something that requires a completely different life, not just better habits, but a different version of yourself. Many people don't fail because they cannot save. They stop because they don't see progress fast enough. The early stage is quiet and exciting and sometimes frustrating because nothing feels like it's changing. But something begins to change slowly. At first, it's not obvious, but over time, momentum starts to build. Savings become more consistent, decisions become more intentional, and the numbers begin to move faster, not dramatically, but noticeably. The first $100,000 is not built by income alone. It's built by behavior, consistency, discipline, awareness. The habits formed in the early stage are what make the difference later. Then, something important happens. Money starts to contribute. Not just you, but your money. Growth begins to come from two sources, your effort and your capital. And that's when things start to feel different. After a certain point, progress feels faster because each dollar has more impact. The system you built starts working, and the same habits that once felt difficult now feel natural. The first $100 is not important because of the numbers itself. It's important because of what it represents. Proof that the system works, that consistency works, that small decisions add up over time. The hardest part was never the number, it was the pace before it. The pace where nothing feels like it's happening. The pace where most people quit. Because if someone can reach the first $100,000, they have already built something more valuable than money. They have built a system, a way of thinking, a pattern of behavior. Because in the end, The first $100 is not just a financial milestone, it's a psychology one. It changes how you see money, how you make decisions, how you think about the future. But more importantly, it changes how you see yourself. Because before that point, there's always doubt. Am I doing this right? Is this even working? Will this ever make a difference? And those questions can be heavy because progress feels slow, sometimes invisible, sometimes not enough. But reaching the first $100,000 answer those questions, not in words, but with proof. Proof that consistency works. Proof that small decisions matter. Proof that the time can turn something small into something meaningful. And once that belief is built, everything begins to feel different. You stop rushing. You stop chasing quick results. You start trusting the process because now you've seen it, you've experienced it, and that changes how you move forward. Because the truth is, the first $100 is not the finish line, it's the foundation. Everything after that builds on what you've already done: the habits, the discipline, the awareness. And from that point, it's no longer about starting, it's about continuing. Because what once felt impossible now feels repeatable. And maybe that's the most important part because once something becomes repeatable, it becomes sustainable. And once it becomes sustainable, it becomes your life. And maybe the hardest part of your financial journey was never the money, it was staying consistent long enough to believe it was possible.